Welcome to Building 100 here at Tri-State International in Lincolnshire, Illinois. In this video, we're going to show you how we use our Smart Lift system to repair a settled interior floor. Visually, it's easy to see the settlement throughout offices along the exterior wall of the building. In some areas, this floor has dropped about 1.5 inches. The sinking floor has also caused gaps to form beneath the partition walls. Using ground-penetrating radar and soil borings, engineers identified a weak subgrade along with voids below a 1,000 square foot section of the floor. Engineers concluded their investigation by specifically recommending polyurethane foam injections to fill the voids and raise the slab. To address the weak soils and voids, we proposed our Smart Lift system with a deep injection process. We begin by drilling a grid of injection holes, equally spaced, about 4 feet apart. This grid pattern ensures proper coverage of our materials. Next, we install deep injection tubes that allow us to inject a specially designed polyurethane deep below the slabs and into areas containing voids and weak soils. For this project, we're targeting depths of about 3 to 5 feet below grade. Polyurethane is injected through the tubes and into the voids below the concrete. This product spreads out to fill voids, bind loose materials, and expands in all directions, compacting the area and forming a solid base beneath the settled slab. This process eliminates having to remove the slab in order to repair failing subgrades. Now that we have a solid base beneath the floor, we're going to perform shallow injections. Polyurethane will spread out directly under the slab and expand, further compacting the subgrade. Continued injections cause the floor to raise, restoring proper grade and pitch. We completed this process in a single day, and the injected materials fully cure almost immediately. Our stabilization and raising process is the least invasive process available and saved this owner tens of thousands of dollars. This project is also another great example of how old techniques referred to as mudjacking are rapidly being phased out. There's a second part to this project where we'll be raising about 800 linear feet of exterior sidewalks, but that will be covered in a separate video. If you'd like to learn more about our services, please contact Acme Concrete Raising and Repair today.